Hi guys, ArchiTracer is a code coverage tool for 10 programming languages. In this video, we're going to learn how to generate code coverage using ArchiTracer code coverage tool using the following environment: platform Linux, project, sample server project, the language JavaScript language. We'll test using manual testing and unit testing. So this is a server project that we have. So the first step is to make sure that we install the dependency packages from the ArchiTracer. npm I, then archi, install the dependency package, pmi. So it's getting all the required packages here. And the next step is to go ahead and instrument the project. ArchiTracer -on to enable the tool. .js. Let's also instrument the files from the current directory. So 4 files has been instrumented, and then we will go ahead and even instrument the express here. Okay, the dependency files here. Okay, so it has instrumented from node module also. Now the first step is that either we can run the unit test cases and generate the code coverage, or we can do the manual testing. So npm test will run the test actually. Okay, let me go ahead and press enter. As you can see, it has we can put this information in the silent mode. You can see that when we run this, so it's running all the test cases here, and at the end it is tearing down, deallocating the resources that was allocated, and it is dumping all the code coverage here. And then what we can do is we can run the command rk results to generate the report. As you can see, the report has been generated here. Okay, you can see that so if you want to get into this report, or like if you want to select the some modules and get the code coverage, you can see that if I select this, based on that it's showing the code coverage here, this table. But this one that you see on the topmost right corner remains the same. So this gives us a project summary, but this one, the middle one, and this pie charts will automatically get updated as you hover over the module or file that you're going to select. Okay, for example, if I go to this, you can double click on this, it will take you to the source file here, and you should be able to see the code coverage. And I can go for this one or this. Okay, just double click it and it will take you to the source file, and you can go ahead and check the code coverage. And in case if you need the function, just go ahead and check for the function summary here. It's a very big function. Okay, on the left hand side we have the tree view. Suppose in case if you want to search for certain files here. Okay, so it's going to get you the file which you're looking for.